Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A6 front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Gather all necessary tools before you begin. You will need T25 and T30 Torx bits, a 10mm socket with an extension, and a flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and prevent interruptions. Safety glasses are also recommended for eye protection. Next, open the hood and carefully remove the large plastic cover from the engine bay. It's usually held by a few clips. Then, locate and unscrew the 3 bolts securing the top part of the bumper, which are typically T30 Torx screws. After that, move to the underside of the vehicle and remove the 3 quick-release screws or bolts that hold the lower section of the bumper. These initial steps provide access to further mounting points. Now, turn your front wheels to one side to gain better access to the wheel arch liners. Remove the T25 Torx screws that secure the front section of the wheel arch liner. Once those are out, gently peel back the fender liner. This will expose 2 more bolts on each side that attach the bumper to the fender. These can sometimes be tricky to reach, so take your time and use an extension if needed for your 10mm socket. With all fasteners removed, carefully pull the bumper forward, being mindful of any attached electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or headlight washer hoses. Disconnect these components before fully detaching the bumper. When reinstalling, reverse the steps, ensuring all connections are secure and clips are properly seated. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals and resources to help with your next project. Take your time during reassembly to ensure everything aligns correctly for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.